You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. Yes, I know, the spelling makes it a bit confusing. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing in English, stay tuned. Pronounced in English as tout. Yes, I know, tout. Yeah, well, there's an A sound here, there's an U sound, tout. It's a diphthong. So the spelling is really out, doesn't correspond to the pronunciation here. But how to pronounce in English? Tout, as in to tout or taunting. Tout. How to pronounce tout. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.